Hello everyone, it's Ryan from Teen Travels, and today we're going to talk about the 5 tips and tricks on how to travel with your family. That's coming up next. Okay, so our first tip is don't feel obligated to always hang out with your family. Teenagers need privacy and time to themselves. So check out your hotels or cruise ships activities for teens and meet some new friends. Also, if your family is going to the pool or beach, go down 30 minutes early or stay 30 minutes late so that you can get some alone time and soak in that Miami Beach sun. Okay, tip number 2. Remember that you're on family vacation and that it's not always about you. Now, things go wrong in family vacations and other people want to do things too, especially with a bigger family with a lot of age differences. Like for example, if you have a little toddler or a senior citizen who has mobility problems or other such things where you have to be slower in your day and you can't do everything you want to do. So you're gonna have to make compromises. So that means that super cool rope course that costs $50 per person might be off the list if you have a big family of 8 or 9 people. So keep that in mind and don't get frustrated if you can't do what you want. Just remember you're on vacation. So our third tip kind of wraps in with our second tip. It's try not to let the small things bug you. I get it. Your family can be annoying sometimes, especially younger siblings. I know, I have them. So instead of getting upset about not being able to ride Space Mountain because your little brother, Bobby, need to take a nap, remind yourself that you are still on vacation and you can ride Space Mountain tomorrow. It's all about just short-term memory and just having fun when you're on vacation. Because if you let things get to you, your vacation is not going to be as fun or as positive as if you were to let the small things just wave off your shoulders and not even worry about them. Enjoy what you do have, not what you could have. Tip number 4. I think this one is the most important, but also the easiest and the thing that people forget the most. Don't forget headphones, especially for travel days and car rides. It can get loud when a family is stuck in a plane or car for hours. So make sure to bring those headphones, maybe bring a charger if you need one or a battery pack. Put your headphones in, listen to whatever kind of music you like, and just block out all the noise coming from your family that may be caused from these long car rides. Because I know, and a lot of other people know, including yourself, that when you're stuck in a car for a long time, you start to get frustrated and you get annoyed and you have to stretch. Or a plane. Plane rides and car rides aren't supposed to be comfortable. They're supposed to get you from destination A to destination B. So use all the tools like headphones whenever you can, especially with your family. So the 5th and final tip is to have fun. At the end of the day, you're all family and you love each other, but enjoy the years you have with them because someday you'll be in college and won't be able to go on family vacations anymore. Cherish the good, cherish the bad, guys, because you will miss family vacations when they're over. So that will do it for our tips and tricks on how to vacation with family. And I know it's tough, guys. Vacationing with family can be stressful. It can be conflicted. But remember that family vacations are cherished and that you will be looking back 30 years from now and you'll have all these memories from all these cool vacations that you went on with your family if you were able to go on them. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel if you like this kind of content. We'll be releasing new tip and trick videos every single week to get you guys ready for your vacation, as well as our vlog series, the MSC Meraviglia, coming up this February. Until next time, safe travels.